Good morning, everyone. I am Adish Kapate. We, the students of class 9 through B group, are going to tell you the information about some of the phrasal verbs. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to our subject teacher Shagufta ma'am, along with our principal Vaishali ma'am, who gave us the golden opportunity to do the project. The verb allotted to me is eat. The phrasal verb used with eat are eat in, eat out, eat into, eat away, and eat up. Eat in meaning to eat at home. Example: I am so tired. I don't want to go out tonight. Can we eat in? Example 2. We ordered a scrumptious pizza and eat in last night. Eat out meaning to eat away from home, usually restaurant. Example 1. You are such a foodie. You ate out almost every night last week. Example 2. We have got no food in the house. Shall we just eat out tonight? Eat into. Eat into something, meaning 1. To use up a part of something, especially somebody's money or time. Example: those repair bills have really eaten into savings. Meaning 2. To destroy or damage the surface of something. Example: rust had eaten into the metal. Eat away, meaning to reduce or destroy something. Example 1. The disease eats the liver away. Example 2. The coastline is being eaten away year by year. Eat up. Eat something up, meaning to eat all of something. Example: come on, eat up your potatoes. Eat somebody up, meaning to fill somebody with a particular emotion so that they cannot think of anything else. Example: she was eaten by regret. Third, eat something up, meaning to use something in large quantities. Example: legal cost had eaten up all my savings she had.
Hello everyone, I am Ananya. I will let you know about the phrasal verb cut. Thank you Adish for explaining it. Now let's go. Cut out, cut across, cut off, cut down and cut in. So let's go. Cut off meaning to remove something from something bigger. For example, I cut the tags off my new clothing. Meaning, when the telephone connection disconnects accidentally, we were cut off in the middle of a connection. Meaning, to stop the supply of something. Our electricity was cut off after we didn't pay the bill for 3 months. Meaning, to interrupt. Example, I tried to explain about the problem, but she cut me off and said she didn't want to hear about it. Meaning, to drive in front of another car suddenly. For example, he got angry when another car cuts him off on the highway. So let's see cut out. Meaning, to remove something like a picture from something bigger like a magazine. I cut the article out of the newspaper. To cut something out to exclude them. For example, Helen cut her ex-boyfriends out of her life. She doesn't even want to be friends with him. Meaning, when an engine, motor or other machine stops. I was terrified when the plane's engine suddenly cut out. Cut back or cut down. Meaning, to reduce, especially spending. Example, we are cutting back on the entertainment in order to save up for our vacation. Instead of going to the movies once a week, we are going once a month. Meaning, to consume less. For example, I am on diet. I am cutting down on fast food. Meaning, cut down can also be used to the literal sense regarding trees. He is cutting down a tree. Cut in, meaning to interrupt someone's conversation. I was trying to talk to Ben, but my sister kept cutting in. He's always cutting in. I'm sick of and tired of it. cut across to get a shorter route to get to destination. Example, let's cut across the park on the way home from school. It will make the trip faster. Now let's see cut out, meaning to extract something from something big by cutting. For example, I cut the articles out of the newspaper. My younger brother likes to cut colorful pictures of the cars out of magazines. Now, my friend Anshuman will let you know about the phrasal verb argue.
Hello, my name is Anshuman and my verbs is argue. And phrasal verbs are argue with, argue down, argue out, argue for, argue about. Argue down meaning try to persuade people not to accept a proposition, motion, etc. Example, they tried to argue down the proposal, meaning persuade someone to drop the price of something they are selling. Example, she argued him down 10%, meaning beat someone in debate, discussion, or argument. Example, the teacher tried to argue the girl down but she couldn't. Argue with, usually used in negative sentences to disagree with a statement. Example, first, he is a really successful man, you can't argue with that. Second, overall, it's hard to argue with these conclusions. Argue for, meaning to give reasons for or against something. Example, Georgia Federal prosecutors strongly argue for jail time for the Atlanta Three, insisting on the need to send a message to the community, the message that hackers around the country need to hear. Argue out, if two or more people are argue something out, they discuss it or thoroughly in order to reach a conclusion or discussion. Example, first, if there's a dispute, we argue it out. Second, the question of divorce was discussed and argued out in the frankest tones. Argue out. Examples, we can argue about whether that's it true or not. Second, we did argue about stuff but not bad arguments. Third, they did not argue about accidents and essence. Now Darshan will continue.
Hello, I am Darshan. My verb is lay and the phrasal verbs are lay down, lay an, lay low, lay off and lay by. Let's start with the first phrasal verb lay down. Lay down. It means give up, surrender or yield. Example, a weapon. Example, the police urged the gunman to lay down his weapon. Another meaning is that intentionally take a fall while riding a motorcycle in order to prevent a more serious collision. Example, he laid down his brand new Harley Davidson to avoid the oncoming bus. Next is lay low, meaning topple or overcome, to cause a fall, to knock out. Example, he was laid low by a vicious blow to the head. Third one, lay off. It means cease, quit, stop doing something. Example, when are you gonna lay off smoking? The fourth one is lay on. It means provide food or drinks for free. Example, at conference, they laid on a wonderful buffet. Another meaning is that repeatedly say particular things. Example, he laid on compliments. The last one is layout, meaning arrange in a certain way so as to spread or space apart. Example, she laid the blocks out in a circle on the floor. Thank you.